An error code F5 on an air conditioner indicates a miscommunication between the indoor and outdoor units. This issue can be caused by a poor power supply, a faulty control system, or bad or damaged wiring. To resolve the problem, start by checking the air conditioner's power supply. Unplug the unit and inspect the power cord for any physical damage. Also, verify if the current interrupter device or circuit breaker has tripped, and check for any electrical issues. If necessary, reset the air conditioner by disconnecting it from its power source for a minute before plugging it back in. If the issue persists, consider consulting an electrician to analyze and fix the control board. Additionally, inspect the unit's wiring, checking the system's wire connections for any loose or damaged wires. If wires are not connected, establish the connections, and if damaged, replace them. By following these steps, the error code F5 issue should be resolved.